Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be installing something on my truck that kind of goes in a very different direction from the types of things that I normally install on my truck. So when I say floor mats, this is probably what all of us think of, right? Either a square, floppy piece of carpet that comes in your vehicle from factory, or something like this. This is like a hard plastic, very rigid, but still, moldable piece of plastic or whatever that protects your floorboards from dirt, debris, what have you. What you probably didn't think of is a beautiful leather type honeycomb stitching floor mat that is still going to be custom fit to the floorboard. It's not a one size fits all floorboard, or floor mat rather, but get this, it also matches the seat covers that I just installed on my truck earlier. So here are those seat covers I was just talking about earlier. So black, it looks very white on camera, but this actually kind of has like a little bit of like a silverish gray hue to it, I guess you would call it. But yeah, these seat covers are beautiful. They look awesome, especially with the gray of the truck coming into the black, and now we're going to have floor mats that are the exact carbon copy match for these seat covers. And if you're interested in these floor mats or those seat covers that we just checked out, my friends over at Kustom Interior sent these out to me to make a review video on and try. This is the second set of seat covers that they have sent me. I've installed those on another F-150 in the past. Y'all really seem to like that video. So if you guys have any questions, I'll link those products down below. But Kustom Interior is who sent them to me and where you can get them from. So they sent me one for the driver's seat, one for the passenger seat, obviously, one for this back portion right here. Installation really could not be more simple and straightforward. As I mentioned earlier, they are designed to fit my exact year, make, and model. They're not one size fits all, so they do sit nice and neat all up in there. Literally, you can just toss them in, shuffle them around a little bit, and it will just kind of seat in place. But yeah, when you open up the truck, like so, you're gonna have beautiful seat covers and then a very luxury type look of floor mat as well. So just like the exterior of the car and really any other type of modification that you would be doing to your car or your truck, it's all personal preference, right? It's all what you think looks best. It's all your vision coming to light. These floor mats are no different. It's not going to be everybody's cup of tea. It's going to be a much more luxurious style look than like the hard, rigid plastic ones that I had in my truck prior. Like I said, these are going to be tending to be on the more luxurious style look of things. Obviously, if you go into a BMW sedan or an Audi SUV or something like that, you're not going to see a hard, rigid WeatherTech, floor mat in there. You're probably either going to see a floppy piece of carpet from factory, or you're going to see some sort of, hand stitching that matches the seats. That is the style that these floor mats are going for. So I've got the two side by side right here. This is obviously the one that we're going to be installing today. This is the pre-existing one that I had in my truck earlier. This is a hard, rubbery, rigid plastic style, still fit to, still measured and made to fit my exact year, make, and model, just like this guy right here. But this is a much softer, luxurious, plush leather feel to it. Let me know down in the comments below, y'all. Yay or nay? Do you guys like this? Do you guys not like this? I, for one, I think it's cool. It is a little like busy, like for my eyes, right? To see like the seat covers. Seat covers are dope. I don't know how I feel about the pattern continuing like down the entire floor, but just like in general, it is a really, really cool look. I think that the fitment is awesome. I think it does absolutely give a much more luxurious look and style to the truck. It's just different. Everything that I've done in this truck up to this point has been very like rigid or rugged or what have you, like those, floor mats, like the toe mirrors, like, pretty much like everything. It's to give it a much more like rugged, aggressive look. And this is much more suitable to like a street truck. Like I could absolutely see like a single cab 5 liter V8 Coyote engine F-150, with this seat cover and floor mat, matching style look, and it just looking incredible, because those are much more obviously geared towards like a luxurious, fast street truck style. But like I said already, these seat covers, going to be linked below. Floor mat's going to be linked below. If you guys have any questions, if you guys have any comments, or anything at all about this video or anything at all in general, please leave it down below. I really do appreciate all of your guys' support and help. If you guys like this video, please like it. It helps out so much more than you guys realize. If you guys aren't subscribed, it's free. Just click the button. I'd appreciate it. We can hang out more. You know what I mean? And yeah. I'm rambling at this point. I'm sitting in the back of my truck right now. The back of my own truck. It's not even running. It's getting a little hot in here. So I'm going to peace out. But thank you all so much for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace!